Hello everyone, welcome back to Kailash Learning Point. In this video, I am going to share some MCQ answers of class 10 Maths and Science first unit test question paper of 2025. So let us begin from question number 1. If x is inversely proportional to y, then option A given when x increases, y increases. Option B given when x decreases, y increases. Option C given when x decreases, y decreases. And option D given x and y are equal. So option B is the right answer for this question. And question number 2, P, Q, R, S will be in proportional if PS equal to QR. Option C is the right answer for this question. And in question number 3, which of the following number is the square of an even number? So option C is the right answer for this question. The value of cube root of 8 plus cube root of 27 minus cube root of 64 is, option A is the correct answer for this question. And in question number 5, in the prime factorization of 3125, the exponent of 5 is, option D is the right answer for this question. Assertion 2, 6, 6, 8 are in proportion. Reason, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then AD equal to BC. So option D is the correct answer for this question. A is false but R is true. Question number 7. Statement A. For any integer q, 2q is an even number. Statement B. For any integer q, 2q plus 1 is an odd number. So option C is the correct answer for this question number 7. And in question number 8 given, for any two positive integer a and b, if a equal to bq, then HCF of a comma b will be, option C is the correct answer for this question. In question number 9 given, if there are two digits in the decimal expansion of 24 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power p, then the value of p, option B is the correct answer for this question. Answer will be 2. Value of p will be 2. And in question number 10 given, two numbers are in the ratio 3:1. If their HCF is 16, then the number will be, option D is the correct answer for this question. And in question number 11 given, three bells ring at the interval of 6, 12 and 16 minutes respectively. If all the three bells rang at 6 am, when will they ring together again? So 6, 12 and 18 LCM you find, and answer for this question will be option D. Question number 12. If HCF of 2520, 6600 equal to 120 and LCM of 2520, 6600 equal to 252 into k, then the value of k will be, so answer for this question will be 550. Option B is the correct answer for this question. And in question number 3, which of the following irrational number, out of this four option, which is the irrational number? So answer C is the correct answer for this question, root 2 by root 10. And in question number 14, the ratio of HCF to LCM of the least composite number and the least prime number is, the correct answer for this question is option B, 2:1. And in question number 15, if the HCF of 85 and 153 is expressible in the form 85n minus 153, then the value of n is, option B is the correct answer for this question, 2. 16. The graph of y equal to px is as given below. The number of zeros of the above polynomial is, this is the graph for this question, and the answer for this question is option C, 0. 17. If one of the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 is minus 2. The other zero is, option A is the correct answer for this question, minus 5. And in question number 18 given, which of the following is a factor of the polynomial? You change this question, which of the following is a factor not, in place of is a factor right here not a factor. Which of the following is not a factor of the polynomial fx equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3? So correct answer for this question is D. Option D is the correct answer, x minus 2. And question number 19, which of the following cannot be the degree of polynomial? So answer will be minus 1. Option D is the correct answer. So in question number 2 given, a polynomial of degree 3 has at most 3 0. So option C is the correct answer for this question. And question number 21, assertion, if the sum and product of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are known, then polynomial can be formed. And reason given, the general form of the quadratic polynomial is x square plus sum of zeros into x plus product of the zeros. So option C is the correct answer for this question. A is true but R is false. Question 22, which of the following have common zeros? So correct answer for this question is option B, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. These two are the answer for this question, have common zero. This two equation has common zero. So answer will be 1 and 3. Question 23. Triangle ABC, DE parallel BC and AD by DB equal to 3 by 13. If AC equal to 16, then the value of AE will be. So answer will be option D. Answer will be option D, and that is 3. And question 24 given, triangle ABC, DE parallel AB, AD equal to 3x plus 19, CD equal to x plus 3, BE equal to 3x plus 4, CE equal to x, then value of x is, so option A is the correct answer for this question. Value is 2. And question 25, in triangle ABC, XY parallel BC, if BX equal to 1 by 4, AB and AC equal to 8 centimeter, then value of YC is, option B is the correct answer for this question, 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. So finally we have solved 25 MCQ of maths. Now we'll do for science.